Hi everyone. So today OpenAI announced the release of their GPT-4 model, which is a large multimodal language model. So it means it can receive both image and text as input, and then it will generate the text response as output. So now let's take a look at the announcement for GPT-4 and see what new features it has and what kind of improvements they have done compared to its predecessor GPT 3.5. You can find the announcement at openai.com/research/GPT-4. Based on this announcement, OpenAI claims that GPT-4 has human-level performance on various professional and academic benchmarks. For example, GPT-4 took several simulated professional exams, such as the simulated bar exam, and was able to pass that exam with a score around top 10% of all test takers. Comparing this with the performance of GPT 3.5, we can see that we have a major improvement since the score of GPT 3.5 was only better than 10% of the test takers. But now GPT-4 is better than 90% of the test takers. And here is the table of all simulated exams, including the uniform bar exam, that it reached 90%, the top 90% performance. The LSAT exam, SAT math, and you can go through the list until even the biology and calculus. So the highest improvement was in the bar exam, but also there is some improvement in the LSAT exam, going from the top 40% to top 88%. And also, like other exams, like they have some minor improvement, but there are some that it didn't improve at all. For example, the GRE writing exam, like it didn't improve. It is still at 54th percentile. Currently, the text version of GPT-4 is available on ChatGPT Plus platform. So if you have ChatGPT Plus subscription and log into your account, then you can choose which model you want to use by selecting from this drop-down menu, as you can see. Currently, the default is GPT 3.5, but you can select GPT-4 and give it a try. And note that they have put a cap on the number of queries to GPT-4 per user, but they plan to scale it up and make it more accessible. So as we said earlier, GPT-4 is a multimodal model. So that means it can accept images as input, and then you can ask a question about that image and it will reply to you as text. And here is an example of visual input to GPT-4. So they provided this image with 3 panels, and they asked GPT-4, what is funny about this image? And then you can see that GPT-4 analyzes the image and provides different description of the 3 panels. And at the end, it says that the absurdity of this image is that they are plugging a large outdated VGA connector into a modern smartphone. However, we should note that this capability of providing image as input is not available on ChatGPT platform, but OpenAI is collaborating with other partners, such as this other partner called the Be My Eye, to make that feature available for users as well. And finally, let's talk about the limitations and risks of GPT-4 compared to GPT 3.5. So one of the limitations is that GPT-4 still does hallucinations. Although according to OpenAI, based on some internal evaluation scores regarding hallucination, GPT-4 has improved 40% compared to GPT 3.5. And it still poses some risks, such as it may give you harmful advice, or it may write a buggy code and also provide some inaccurate information. So that's it for a quick overview of GPT-4, which either by coincidence or intentionally was released on the Pi Day. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please feel free to leave your comments and questions down below, and thanks for watching.